Hey, this video will show you how you can annotate molecules PP2. Questions 1 through 3 refer to the diagram below, which represents a chemical reaction that occurs in vertebrates, and on your knowledge of biology. So this is a stimulus question, so what we need to do is we need to figure out what is happening here in this diagram. So let's go ahead and use the keyword strategy to indicate what is letter A. Also, what is letter C? Fortunately for you, letter B has been labeled. Question 1. Which of the following best describes the structure labeled A? Well, if you did that, if you annotated before, you already know what is labeled A. Question 2. Which of the following statements accurately describes the process? For this question, you should use the crossout strategy and eliminate options based on words or phrases that make the answer incorrect. Question 3. Which type of molecules are represented by letter C? Well, you've already annotated letter C, so you know the answer. Questions 4 through 6 refer to the diagrams to the right, which represents a metabolic activity that occurs in humans, and on your knowledge of biology. This is again a stimulus question, so we need to figure out what is happening here. Let's use the keyword strategy to identify the components. Fortunately for you, letter B is a protein. Annotate what is letter C. Identify what is represented by that arrow. And finally, what is represented by letter D. So when I'm asking you to tell me what's happening here, describe in your own words what's happening between the protein and the beginning and the end of this reaction. Question number 4. Which letter represents an enzyme? You need to identify what is an enzyme using the keyword strategy. Question 5. Which letter best represents a monomer? For this question, using the keyword strategy, indicate what is a monomer. And finally, question 6, which of the following best describes letters A and B? Now, what you need to do is you need to use the crossout strategy and eliminate wrong answers. Questions 7 through 10 refer to the diagram below, which represents a chemical reaction that occurs in humans, and on your knowledge of biology. So, again, this is another stimulus question for questions 7, 8, 9, and 10. All are related on this diagram. Describe in your own words what's happening here. In addition, you should be indicating what are these building blocks? What's another word that could represent them? Also, what's another word that could represent the product? Now, if you've done this, you should also indicate what is meant by question 7, digestion, and synthesis. Question number 8, which of the following could represent the specific molecule present in the reaction? Now, what you're going to do is, using the crossout strategy, eliminate wrong answers. Question number 9. This again is still referring to this diagram. Which of the following molecules is required for this reaction to occur? Now, when I see this word required, what does that mean? Once you've done that, indicate the answer for number 9. And question number 10 is actually very similar to question number 9. So I'm going to let you do that one on your own. Thank you.